What's up guys, my name is Dale, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 10 websites that will pay you daily within 24 hours. There are plenty of websites out there that are total scams, but these 10 are ones that are tried and true by myself personally. And these are actual websites that will pay you to your PayPal account within 24 hours, so they are not too good to be true. So if you want to earn an online income working from home in your pajamas or just in your local area, then stick around because we're getting started right now. So website number 1 is called Field Agent. And Field Agent will pay you up to $12 an hour to do random tasks, which can range from going to an actual grocery store and taking pictures of products on the shelves, to going on scavenger hunts in store and taking in-store surveys and things like this. They do this in order to collect photos and videos and other information about retailers and products to use for market research. And after accepting a task, you'll have up to about 120 minutes to complete it, so make sure that you're leaving enough time in the day to actually complete these tasks. Now, they do have some work from home options, but I've found that they pay you best doing the actual in-store location options. And the reason why you're doing these random tasks, like taking pictures of products on shelves or going on these scavenger hunts for UPC labels and things like that, is because you want to help retailers and companies learn how their products are being displayed to customers in actual retail locations. So if their labels and everything are flipped around and their products aren't being displayed correctly, that can affect their sales. So you're basically just providing in-store feedback for these companies and getting paid for it. Website number 2 is called QMe. And QMe is a free browser extension and a mobile app that allows you to earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion and for engaging and shopping with your favorite brands as well. So whenever you do paid surveys through QMe, they add the rewards to your piggy bank in real time. And there's no minimum cash out for this, so even if you just had $1 in your piggy bank, you could send that over to your PayPal account. And since they have a mobile app as well, you can use this to do surveys anytime that you're waiting in line or just trying to kill time at any point. If you already like to shop online, then you might as well earn cash rewards for browsing the web for your favorite products. And they'll even pay you just based on your searches. You don't actually have to purchase anything to get a cash payout. And it's free to sign up, so make sure you check that out. So all in all, QMe is a great website and mobile app for taking surveys and engaging with your favorite brands and getting paid for it. Website number 3 is called GigWalk. Similar to Field Agent, GigWalk will pay you to do various tasks, such as taking photos of price tags or how products are displayed on shelves in retail locations. And these tasks are going to take anywhere from 5 minutes to several hours to complete, and you can make anywhere from $3 to $100 per task. Everything is done through the GigWalk app, so you don't have to manually log your time or deal with emails. All you have to do is find a task on the map on GigWalk and then apply to it. And GigWalk pays you real cash immediately after a task is completed and approved. So think of GigWalk like a video game. You find a mission on the map, you go and complete that mission, and then you get rewarded. And these rewards are for helping companies figure out how to promote their products better in store. Website number 4 is called Google Opinion Rewards. Obviously, this one is by Google itself, so you know that it's legit and they're going to pay you the way that they say. Google partners with large brands that need customer feedback from the public, so they'll pay you for taking surveys and writing reviews through the Google Opinion Rewards app. And if you have an Android, they're going to pay you through gift card credits through Google Play. And if you have an iPhone, they'll pay you straight to your PayPal account. So just simply download the app and set up a free account to get started. But all in all, you're just being paid for taking surveys. Website number 5 is called Bird. If you've never used Bird, it's an app that allows you to find and ride electric scooters in your area. And the whole deal with this is that you can find an electric scooter, ride it wherever, and basically drop it off wherever, and obviously take a picture to verify the location, and then go about your day. So Bird will actually pay people to go pick up these scooters, recharge them at their house, and then drop them back off so that they're fully charged and ready to go for people to ride again. And basically how it works is you sign up to become a charger through Bird, and then in the mail, they'll end up sending you 3 charging cables that you can use to charge all the scooters that you pick up. and they'll pay you anywhere from $5 to $20 per scooter. Now, obviously, it does help to have some sort of car or truck that can actually haul several of these at once. If you really wanted to, you could do this on foot. It's just going to take a little bit of extra hustle, so I don't really recommend it. And as a bonus, another company that does this is called Lime, and you can sign up to be a Lime juicer. And it's basically the exact same thing. You go out, pick up scooters, charge them at home, and drop them back off, and then get paid real cash. So website number 6 is called OneSpace. OneSpace is very similar to sites like Fiverr or Upwork, where you're getting paid for freelance work. And the jobs can range from anything like writing content for online articles, to graphic design, to simply just typing information into a database. And you can see if we scroll down, they do make daily payments, and you can do anything from product research to editing content and more. And you can even set your own schedule, so you can just do these as you please. And the way that OneSpace is different from sites like Fiverr or Upwork is that all of these jobs that you're doing are going to larger companies, like you can see over here, Staples, Overstock, Walmart, eBay, we've got Lowe's, Instacart, all that. They're not going to individuals, they're going to these larger companies. So basically, just to recap, this is like Fiverr for larger big box companies. So website number 7 is called Scribie. Scribie is a company that will pay you to transcribe audio files, meaning you listen to the audio file and then you convert the words into written text. And this text can be used for things like closed captioning, scripts, trainings for new employees, things like that. So basically, if you're good at listening and typing at the same time, you can knock out a lot of these and make pretty good money with it. And they'll pay you anywhere from $5 to $25 per audio hour. And each audio file you receive is never any longer than about 6 minutes. And the audio files typically include things like telephone calls, speeches, interviews, and more. And generally, a 6-minute audio file will make you anywhere from $1 to $2. So really, you want to be knocking out as many of these as you can. So the faster you move, the more you get paid. And there's also no minimum cash out. So as soon as you complete one, you can transfer the money immediately to your PayPal account. And to become a transcriber, it's as simple as going to their website and scrolling down to the Apply Now section, which is right here. All you have to do is submit an application, take the online test, and then you can start transcribing immediately. So all in all, Scribie pays you to convert audio files to text. Website number 8 is called ClearVoice. ClearVoice is a lot like OneSpace in the sense that they pay you as a freelancer to write written content for large brands, which you can see right here on their website, like Carfax, Intuit, LifeLock, and so on. How it works is you create your portfolio and you set your rate, and then ClearVoice will match you with clients that need your expertise and are willing to pay your rate. And of course, you can transfer your earnings to your PayPal account after your very first job is completed. So if you're interested, just go to clearvoice.com, and then you can just go down here to For Freelancers right here, and just click on that. And then you just enter in your name and get started with making your CV and portfolio. So, recap, ClearVoice pays you to write content for big brands, and this content will go on their websites, blogs, and so on. Website number 9 is called Testing Time. Testing Time is a site that pays you to test out products or services via Skype or Zoom, and you're testing out these products and services to help companies improve their products. So it's basically like doing an online review, but in person over Skype or Zoom with somebody at that company that owns that product or service. And it also could be a website or an app that you're testing out. You're basically just giving constructive feedback to help them improve. You can earn up to $55 an hour depending on the study that you participate in, and a study will typically last anywhere from 30 minutes to 90 minutes. And there's really no way to do this wrong. All you have to do is show up and give your honest impression of whatever it is, if it's the website, the app, or the actual physical product. Are there things that you liked about it? Are there things you didn't like about it? What was confusing? You're giving all of this constructive feedback, and they will pay you for this. So you just have to go to their website and click on Become a Test User. And you can sign up, and it's completely free. And then you just create your profile, and you can start testing. It's that easy. And last but not least, website number 10 is called TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an app where you can find people in your local area to complete tasks like handyman services, cleaning, grocery shopping, putting together IKEA furniture, yard work, brushing your cat, you name it. So you can get paid through TaskRabbit by becoming a tasker, aka the person that's performing these tasks for other people. So you just create a profile, and then you can set your own rates for various tasks. You can set up your own schedule, and then TaskRabbit will notify you of potential jobs nearby, and then you can just accept them. And after the task is completed, you get paid same day. And I've hired several different taskers myself, even some to come in and work on this studio right here that we're in. And I will also rehire ones again that I really liked, so you can actually develop a clientele through this app and get consistent income. So a recap of TaskRabbit, you're basically being paid to do all sorts of odd jobs through this app, and you can get paid same day. Alright guys, so that was 10 websites that will pay you daily within 24 hours. And if I forgot any that you know of, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn how to create your own website from scratch, click on this video right here. Or you can go over to my channel and check out some of my other videos. I've got lots of them teaching you how to make websites and how to make money with websites. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.